Nutrition at home after critical illness. This video will describe some general advice on how to eat well and help you recover after critical illness. However, for more individualised advice, please speak to your GP or dietitian. This video was produced with the support of an educational grant from Nutrinovo, manufacturers of ProSource clinical nutrition products. The company has had no involvement or influence in the content of this video. Nourishing snacks every day. Now, if you can't manage full portions at your meals, it's important to eat in between your meals to ensure the body gets nutrients that it needs over the day. Ideas of snacks which are high in protein and nutrients would be 1 pint of fortified milk. So that's fortified by adding skim milk powder. Now, milk is beneficial and contains many nutrients, including protein. Aim to have 1 pint of full fat milk every day. If opting for alternative milks, try to go for soy milk as it includes more protein than other plant-based milks. Also remember to choose plant-based milks that are fortified with nutrients such as calcium. Now here are some tips on how to fortify your milk. You can add extra energy and protein to your milk by adding some dried skim milk powder. Ingredients: 1 pint of full fat milk and 4 tablespoons of dried skim milk powder. This can be the supermarket brand or brands such as Marvel. Method: add milk powder to fresh milk. Stir until dissolved. And now you can leave this in your fridge and aim to use 1 pint throughout the day. Some ideas of where it could be used throughout the day is you could replace your normal milk in drinks like tea or coffee, or even hot chocolate. You can add the fortified milk to cereal, porridge or oatmeal. You can add fortified milk to make your scrambled eggs, or anywhere you would normally use your regular milk. So how do I fortify the food and drink that I eat each day? Fortifying your meals will add additional nutrients to your meal without compromising the taste of your meal too much. Some examples of things you could do are sprinkling cheese onto soups, potatoes, vegetables or scrambled eggs. Choosing full fat products instead of the low fat varieties in items such as cheese, yogurts, coconut milk. Adding skim milk powder to soups or smoothies or hot drinks. Adding nut butters such as peanut butter, hummus, pate or cheese to bread, crackers or toast can help increase the nutrition in those items. What else can you do to help? Eating well is important to support recovery. Doing some light exercise or activity can also help to improve appetite. Sitting in a different room to where food is being prepared or in fresh air can help those with small appetites. Speak to your friends and family and don't become too disheartened if things are not going well. Try to do little things that you can and enjoy your small successes. What happens if this advice doesn't work? If you are still losing weight or struggling to improve your dietary intake despite the advice in this video, or if you're experiencing any issues such as nausea, diarrhea or constipation, you need to contact your GP for more advice and support. Or you might require some individualized advice. In this case, you need to see a dietitian. Your dietitian will assess your intake and make personalized recommendations suitable for you. Your dietitian may also recommend nutritional supplement products if needed. The dietitian can arrange for you to obtain most appropriate product and provide recipes and help you incorporate them in your diet. Catch part 3 of this series for more meal and snack ideas.